Chinese brands are habitual to copy Apple, but I was not expecting a notch on OnePlus. Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unveil Universe. Last time, when they were inspired by the camera placement, the rear panel of OnePlus 5 was very much similar to iPhone 7 Plus. But this time, they copied a ridiculous design. The freaking notch with a hefty bottom bezel. It would have been fine if OnePlus 6 was still looking similar to OnePlus 5T from the front panel. But no, they just wanted to copy the ridiculous notch. Anyways, there is good news for OnePlus fans. The back of the OnePlus 6 is a glass design, so wireless charging could be a possibility. So what do you think about the notch on the OnePlus 6? Tell me in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out. Subscribe to our channel for latest tech videos and hit the bell icon to get notifications first.